everyone, in this video, we're gonna talk about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing polynomials. Let's first do an example for adding polynomials. Let's have 8x squared plus 10x plus 10 plus 3x squared minus 11x plus 12. First is we need to add the like terms. We have 8x squared plus 3x squared is equal to 11x squared plus 10x plus negative 11x. We're gonna have negative x, negative 1x or x. Then we will have the constant term. Positive 10 plus positive 12 is equal to positive 22. And there you have it. 8x squared plus 10x plus 10 added to 3x squared minus 11x plus 12 is equal to 11x squared minus x plus 22. Right? Now let's move on to subtracting polynomials. Let's say we have 7x squared minus 5x plus 13 minus 5x squared minus 5x minus 8. So, let's do the first terms first. 7x squared minus 5x squared is equals to 2x squared. Negative 5x minus negative 5x is equivalent to 0. So, let's move on to the next term, which is positive 13 minus negative 8. In this term, the negative 8 turns to positive. So, positive 8 plus positive 13 is equals to positive 21. And there you have it. 7x squared minus 5x squared plus 13 subtracted by 5x squared minus 5x minus 8 is equal to 2x squared plus 21. What if you were to subtract this equation? 2 times 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 minus 4 times 5x squared minus 7x plus 10. In here, you'll have to simplify each polynomial first. Let's say 2 times 2x squared is equal to 4x squared. 2 times 3 is equals to positive 6x. 2 times negative 4 is equal to negative 8. Then the other one, 4 times 5 is equals to 20x squared. 4 times negative 7x is equals to negative 28x. Plus 4 times 10 is equal to 40. Then from here, we will subtract these two polynomial expressions. 4x squared minus 20x is equal to negative 16x squared. 6x minus 28x, this will turn to positive, so we'll have positive 32x. Negative 8 minus positive 40 is equal to, this will turn to negative because positive times negative is equals to negative. So, negative 40 and negative 8 is equals to negative 48. There you have it. Negative 16x squared plus 32x minus 48. So easy, right? Now let's proceed to multiplying two binomials. Let's say we have 2x plus 10 multiplied to 8x minus 5. Using the FOIL method, we have first the first terms. 2x times 8x is equals to 16x squared. Then the outer terms, 2x times negative 5 is equals to negative 10x. The inner terms, positive 10 times 8x is equal to positive 80x. Then, the last term, positive 10 times negative 5 is equal to negative 50. From here, we will combine the like terms. We'll have 16x squared, then this 2, negative 10x plus 80x will have positive 70x. Then, the constant term, negative 50. And here's the product. But what if you were given this problem? 5x minus 10 squared. We just have to simplify this. So we'll have 5x minus 10 and 5x minus 10. And we'll just do what we did last time. We'll use FOIL method. The first term, 5x times 5x is equal to 25x squared. Then the outer terms, 5x times negative 10 is equal to negative 50x. The inner terms, negative 10 times 5x is equal to negative 50x. Then, we'll have the last term, which is negative 10 times negative 10 is equal to positive 100. And we'll have to simplify these and combine like terms. Copy the 25x squared. These two are like terms, so negative 50x minus negative 50x is equal to negative 100x. Then, the constant term plus 100. From this, you'll have this answer. What if you were given these expressions? 5x minus 7 multiplied to 2x squared plus 5x minus 6. What we'll have to do here is, this first term will be multiplied to each of these terms in the second expression. Let's get 5x times 2x squared. It will be 10x cubed. 5x times positive 5x is equal to positive 25x squared. And 5x times negative 6 is equals to negative 30x. Then, the second term will be multiplied to each of these. Negative 7 times 2x squared is equal to negative 14x squared. Then, negative 7 multiplied to positive 5x is equals to negative 35x. Negative 7 times negative 6 is equals to positive 42. As you have noticed, these are two terms. So we have 2. And these are 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. And here, we have 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's when you know that you don't have a missing term. Now, the next thing we'll do is like what we did from the other one. We'll have to combine like terms. We have the only one cubed, 10x cubed. Then we have 2 squared. We have 25x and negative 14x. Positive 25 minus negative 14 is equal to positive 11x squared. Then we have negative 30x minus 35x is equals to negative 65x. And the constant term, which is positive 42. From this equation, you'll have this product. 10x squared, 10x cubed plus 11x squared minus 65x plus 42. And there you have it. Let's multiply a trinomial into a trinomial. We'll have 4x squared minus 6x plus 10 multiplied to 3x squared plus 9x minus 7. We'll multiply the first term into each term of this second equation. 4x squared times 3x squared is equals to 12x to the power of 4. 4x squared times 9x is equal to positive 36x cubed. 4x squared multiplied to negative 7 is equals to negative 28x squared. Down to the second term. Negative 6x multiplied to 3x squared is equal to negative 18x cubed. Negative 6 multiplied to 9x is equals to negative 54x squared. Negative 6x multiplied to negative 7 is equal to positive 42x. Then, the last term, which is the constant term, 10 times 3x squared is equal to positive 30x squared. 10 times 9x is equal to positive 90x. 10 times negative 7 is equals to negative 70. We have 3 terms here and 3 terms here. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Let's check if we have 9 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, let's proceed to combining like terms. I can only see 1 to the power of 4 here, so we'll have 12x to the power of 4, then 2 cubes, positive 36 minus negative 18x, we'll have positive 18x cubed. Then the squared, negative 28x, negative 54x, we have negative 28x squared plus negative 54x squared equals to 8 plus 4 is 12, 182x squared, negative 82x squared, then positive 30x squared. So we'll have negative 52x squared. Then we'll have 42x plus 90x is equals to positive 132x. Then the constant term, negative 70. Multiplying these two trinomial will result to this product. 12x4 plus 18x cubed minus 52x squared plus 132x minus 70. Yes, multiplying polynomial equations are now clear. So let's proceed to dividing polynomials. In dividing polynomials, we have 3 different solutions. We have factoring, long division, and the last one is synthetic division. So in this first example, let me show you first how to divide using factoring. Let's say we have x squared plus 12x plus 20. We'll use factoring method in this one. Factoring. Divide x plus 2. So you'll have to think what factors of 20 that when added will be equivalent to 12. Let's have, you'll have 2 and 10. 2 times 10 is equals to 20, and 2 plus 10 is equals to 12x. So, we'll choose 2 and 10. X plus 2. Distribute this x squared. And x plus 10. Divide, copying the denominator, x plus 2. You have noticed, x plus 2 in the denominator and the numerator are the same. So, we will cancel this out. we leave with x plus 10. So, x squared plus 12x plus 20 divided by x plus 2 is equal to x plus 10. Let's proceed to the long division method of dividing polynomials. We'll form it into x plus 2 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. X is divided by x squared is equivalent to x squared minus x. And when you remember the law of exponent, when you divide exponents, you use subtraction. Let's say we have 1 here. So 2 minus 1 is equals to x to the power of 1 or equivalent to x. Then we have x squared divided by x is equals to x. Then multiply. X times x is equals to x squared. X times 2 is equals to positive 2x. Then subtract. X squared minus x squared is equal to 0 or cancelled. And 5x minus 2x is equals to positive 3x. Then 6 minus nothing or 0 is equals to positive 6. Then we'll repeat the process. 3x divided by x is basically 3. 3 times x is equals to 3x, and 3 times 2 is equals to 6. And subtract. 6 minus 6 is equals to 0, and 3x minus 3x is equals to 0. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3. The quotient. Move on to the last method of dividing polynomial, the synthetic division. Using the same equation from our last method to know if they will have the same answer, which is x plus 3. First thing we need to do is get the coefficient of each term of the numerator. X is equivalent to 1, then 5, and we'll have 6. X plus 2 is equals to 0. So, x is equal to negative 2 because it will be transposed to the other side. Then, we'll divide this equation to negative 2. We bring down the 1. 1 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2. 5 plus negative 2 is equals to 3. And 3 times negative 2 is equals to negative 6. 6 plus negative 6 is equals to 0. This right here is the remainder. And this is the constant term. Constant. And this is the one with x. So, we leave it with 1x plus 3 or x plus 3. And we got the correct answer. Topic, we're going to talk about how we factor the greatest common factor or the GCF. Let's say we have 3 binomials here. We have 12x minus 16, 20x squared plus 25x, and 24x squared minus 18x. We have to find the greatest common factor of these two. So these two can be divided by 4 and 2. And 4 is greater than 2, so we're gonna use 4. 4 divided by 12x is equal to 3x. 4 divided by negative 16 is equals to negative 4. And there we have the factor of the greatest common factor. Next is we'll have 20 and 25. 20x squared and 25x squared can both be factored by 5x. So we'll have 5x here. 5x divided by 20x squared is equals to 4x. And 5x divided by 25x is equals to positive 5. Then there you have it. The next one, let's have 24x squared and negative 18x. Both can be divisible by 6 and 2, but 6 is bigger than 2, so we'll use 6. We have 6x. 6x divided by 24x squared is equal to 4x. 6x divided by negative 18x is equal to negative 3. And there you have it. The factors of the greatest common factor.